Running is one of the simplest yet most powerful forms of exercise, accessible to almost everyone. But let's be real, getting started can be tough. Stick with it though, and the benefits are incredible. Curious about what happens to your body when you start running every day? Stay tuned and let's dive in. Boost your mood and happiness. First up, running can make you happier. Just 30 minutes of running, even at a leisurely pace, can significantly lift your mood. Studies show it helps people battling depression thanks to the endorphins, or feel-good chemicals, that flood your body during a run. This is often referred to as the runner's high. So lace up those shoes. Even a slow jog can give you that mental boost. Burn calories and shed fat. Let's talk about burning calories. Running is a calorie-burning powerhouse. For example, a person weighing around 70 kilograms can burn approximately 300 to 400 calories in just 30 minutes of moderate running. Add a hill, increase your speed, or run against the wind, and you'll torch even more calories. It's an efficient way to maintain or lose weight while boosting your metabolism. Strengthen your knees. Contrary to popular belief, running is actually good for your knees. Research shows that runners are less likely to experience knee pain compared to non-runners. The impact from running strengthens your muscles, tendons, and ligaments, especially in the legs, making your knees more resilient over time. Your bones also benefit from this impact, which can't be matched by low-impact activities like swimming or cycling. Improve heart health. Just 10 minutes of light jogging daily can lower your risk of heart disease significantly. It gets your heart pumping, strengthens your cardiovascular system, and improves circulation. For a healthy heart, consistency is key, so try to make running a daily habit, even if it's just a short run. Sharpen your mind. Feeling forgetful? Running can help. Aerobic exercises, like running, increase blood flow to the brain, which improves memory and cognitive function. Studies show that people who run regularly have better problem-solving skills and can focus longer. So, if you're struggling to remember where you left your keys, maybe it's time for a run. Drift into deep sleep. Struggling with sleep? Running might be the answer. A study found that participants who ran for 30 minutes 5 times a week reported better sleep quality and fell asleep faster. Plus, better sleep has a ripple effect on your overall health, improving your mood, mental clarity, and even your immune system. Boost your immunity. Regular running strengthens your immune system. Consistent aerobic exercise has been linked to a lower risk of illness and chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer. Your body's ability to fight off infections improves, making you less likely to catch that cold going around. Sculpt your legs and core. Running works your entire lower body, targeting your thighs, calves, and glutes. But it doesn't stop there. Your core muscles, including your abs and lower back, are engaged to help stabilize your body as you run. This means running not only tones your legs, but also helps define your midsection. Safety tips for running. To maximize benefits and avoid injuries, keep these safety tips in mind. Invest in good running shoes to support your feet and joints. Warm up before you start and stretch afterward. Increase your running distance and pace gradually. Mix in other activities like cycling or strength training for balanced fitness. Consider consulting a coach or joining a running group to improve your technique. Outdoor versus treadmill. Now, where should you run? Outside or on a treadmill? Both have their pros and cons. Running outdoors is more stimulating and helps you connect with nature, but weather and air quality can be an issue. If you live in a polluted area, a treadmill in a gym with filtered air might be safer. However, if you have access to clean air, running outside can provide a better mental boost and help you stick to your running goals. So, do you run outside or prefer the treadmill? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on transforming your fitness journey. Check out my other videos on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep running and stay strong.